Hey guys, IKN by Ruby here once again. This is my second video here, and I'm kind of getting happy here. We're getting things going. I'm gonna try to keep consistent, uploading and putting up videos for you guys and everything, and that way we can keep growing. That's what we gotta do. I just wanted to talk today. Subject I want to hit on is never be scared to go forward and do what you want in life. A lot of times we feel that we have to stay in a position or whatever we may do, that it must stay that way. I'm here to tell you, look, if change isn't inevitable, it's gonna happen, and if you can go along with it, you'll be amazed at how many things you can accomplish. 100%. You know, sometimes in life you get thrown curveballs and stuff like that a lot, but the thing is, how do you handle it? Do you want to stay in this situation? If you do, then you have to learn how to adapt and work it out, and to the best of your ability, and everyone else around you. Another a tip I could give you is that 100%, if you feel uncomfortable in a situation, and it's not how would you say, to your best benefit or liking, then you must move on, because what happens is, if you stay there, it will slowly drain you, bring you down, from all angles. I'll give you a perfect example. Like, if you go to a place that you love to work and enjoy it, and it's like, all right, is it really work? Not really, because you're doing something that you like, you enjoy, and it's awesome, it's great. Now, I've known a lot of people that, including myself, with a lot of past and prior jobs, I would go, and as soon as I wake up in the morning, I'm already like, and I gotta go to this place, here we go, stuff like that. That's bad, because that will bring you down beyond what you would believe. And that is not only for a job, it's for any type of situation, for certain people that you're around. It consists of so many things, so many areas of your life. So a good thing that works for me, all I could tell you is, everything that I go and I want to talk to you about, is that take it, use it, what you need. The other stuff, push aside. We should never follow anything straight through a path, but always remember that the path to great success is going to have your ups and downs, and it will always. There's no straight line. And that's why I always feel and tell people, when you have those good times, enjoy them to the best of your ability. Because I tell you what, when the roller coaster goes down and you're like, you know what I mean? You want to make sure that you're able to hold on tight, because you get through that moment, and what happens when you're done at the end of the ride? You're like, wow, that was great. I want to do it again, right? You want to do it again because you went through it. It was crazy. It was exciting, a little bit scary. But you know what? Once you got through, you were like, hey, it wasn't that bad. And that's almost true to life itself. Even when you go through the hardest of times, excluding certain things, use your best judgment with it. But definitely 100%, when you get through it and knock it out, you're like, okay, I can do this. I got this. That's the mentality we should get into, And we have to get into the mentality of helping each other too. A lot of now in the society we live in, it comes down to, it's always about what I gotta do for me, or this or that. And what I've started to see a lot with just everything in general, is that a big thing I notice is that you talk to sometimes people, whatever. Remember, make sure always listen. I think I might have touched on that in the first video. It's been a while since I did it, with the uploading and stuff. But I gotta tell you, really attentively listen to them, because you wouldn't believe it. People or not, they can tell if you're listening or not. And really tend to heed. Start slowly, and with that, work within yourself. What is it that you want? What is it that you want to accomplish? And set realistic goals. Like we all, I don't know, want to be rock stars, have all this, right? Money, this and that. Well, no, all jokes aside, all kidding. No, we all want to live a better life for ourselves, right? We all want to provide. I don't know whether you would be single, provide for yourself or for your family, if you're married or with children. But the main thing is, always we want to provide. And provide what? A better life for ourselves, a healthy lifestyle to live, right? We all want to live healthily, um, and you want to enjoy yourself. I mean, sometimes we get caught up in our own world so much that I'm telling you, this has happened to me many times, that I have to sit down and stop and say, wait a minute, put the brakes on, because I got to sit down and give some me time. And you should do that, because if you don't give yourself that me time, how can you give others your time? Because you don't know. You haven't. You don't know. You're constantly on the grind. I have to take care of this. I have to take care of that. I have to pay bills. Make sure this is all right. That's all right. And then you get into that race, and it's and then before you know it, time passes. What have you done? What have you accomplished? What have you truly can say, hey, look, I've done this, I've done that, and with excitement? Or is it like, yeah, I'm gotta go to work tomorrow, I got this going on, and I'm tired, I never get to rest. No, you want to be that person that says, man, I'm doing great, job's good, I'm going away this weekend, I'm gonna go enjoy myself, whether it's with you, family, friends. And that's another thing too. Always try to incorporate a lot of people, family or friends or people that are close to you in a circle. You don't have to have 1,000, 1,000,000 people, And I think that's another thing that's happened with us in this society. We always have to feel that type of what is it? How can I say it? Like you go onto Facebook or put these pictures up, or Twitter. Look at my photo. Who liked it? Who didn't like it? Listen, it's great, but if you don't love yourself, how can you love anyone else? You got to start from within here first. Start in here first, okay? Start in there. You got to show yourself love. If you don't do that, then it's how can you put that out forth? And another main thing, that I want to leave you with, it's going to be a short video here. I want to wrap it up, getting used to getting these videos out and stuff. We're going to keep getting better and better. And another thing is, look, go out in life, live it to the fullest. I'm telling you, because life's too short. I've maybe later on we'll touch into the base and all type of stuff and experiences that I had. And I seen that life is short, you just never know. Live every day like the last. I know it sounds a little bit like this guy, this cornball stuff. Live every day like it's last, but no. In actuality, live every day like it's your last day. Go out there, put something in your mind you might want to accomplish. Just a small thing that day, whatever it may be. Accomplish it, and if you start getting into a good habit of accomplishing small, tiny things, the most mundane thing, you're gonna build a skill that you'll be able to accomplish and to tackle and do whatever it is you want to do. And believe me, you'll be amazed at what you can accomplish when you use this. Think from here, the heart, your mind, body, spirit, all should be as one. If you're imbalanced in any way, it's going to throw you off big time. So I guess what I'm trying to say in this video is, go find within yourself balance to everything you want to do, and go from there and accomplish those goals. I'm telling you, you wouldn't believe what you accomplish. I always say to myself, people say, well, how can you do this or that? I said, look, don't worry about it. I accomplished an impossible. That's what I do. And same for you. People say, how are you gonna do that? How is that possible? That's not gonna work. You say, don't worry about it. I always accomplish the impossible. Hey guys, take care. Until next time, we're gonna upload some more, and we'll go from there. See you soon.